There isn't a secret recipe to turn back time and stop aging. Throughout the years, our skin naturally ages. Spots, sagging, and frown lines can all occur. But did you know that in addition to being the largest organ in our body, the skin also serves as a reflection of our internal health? In other words, the condition of your skin might reveal whether or not you are healthy. Although you may not be able to totally avoid skin aging, did you know that you can lessen its effects? Wrinkles around the eyes, fine lines around the lips, and age spots on the hands are some of the most noticeable indications of aging. In addition, there are grounds for thinking that the deep forehead wrinkles may represent more than just aesthetic concerns. These wrinkles may be linked to a risk of cardiovascular illness. But which procedure should you use to get rid of forehead lines? There are many cosmetic procedures that can make wrinkles look less noticeable, but most of them have potentially negative side effects. Consider trying one of these 3 natural alternatives, especially if you want to spend less money and still receive wonderful benefits from all natural ingredients. 1. Frankincense. Many people have looked at frankincense oil. Tests have shown that it is good for preventing wrinkles, getting rid of acne, and reducing stretch marks. In addition, frankincense oil possesses anti-inflammatory, therapeutic, and astringent effects. You may create your own at-home anti-aging and anti-blemish serum. Instructions. Mix 30 ml almond oil, or another carrier oil of your choice, with 6 drops of high-quality frankincense oil. Use it twice each day. Consider testing on a small patch of skin first to avoid and detect potential allergic reactions. 2. Coffee. A study that came out in 2013 showed that coffee has antioxidant properties. The results of the study showed that putting coffee extract on the skin made fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable and made the skin more attractive overall. Consider the following. Gently crack an egg and separate the whites from the yolk. In a bowl, whisk the egg whites. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground coffee until the mixture is frothy. Thoroughly wash your hands before applying the mask in circular motions to the forehead. After applying the mask, wait 20 to 30 minutes for it to dry. Wash it off with warm water. 3. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera's fresh gel is known to provide a variety of advantages. Aloe vera gel will make your skin more elastic and thick. It will also work as a moisturizer to keep your skin soft and supple. Consider the following. Ingredients. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 50 grams. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 15 grams. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 15 grams. Instructions. Mix the ingredients together. Gently massage the forehead with circular motions. After 5 minutes, remove the mask by rinsing it off with warm water. Pat your face dry with a towel, being careful not to rub your skin harshly. Use this mask twice a week if you have many wrinkles. Otherwise, simply use it once per week. Did you enjoy these recipes? Try them out and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.